Excited to move to a new place? But at the same time worried about how to move all your stuff to your new house? Moving to a new place is exciting, but at the same time, it comes with a lot of stress. The most stressful part is packing and moving your belongings to the new house without any damages. This blog contains all the things that you need to know about packaging materials for moving. We have brought to you a list of materials for packaging that you should keep in handy irrespective of whether you are doing all your packing by yourself or hiring a professional team to execute your task. Packing supplies checklist. Packing paper. Normally we use newspapers to wrap around the objects before packing them to protect them from any damage during transportation. This technique has been used for a long time and is equally inexpensive as well. The drawback is that the ink on the newspapers leaves stains on the objects wrapped in it, making it a bit unfeasible, which is why you can instead opt for a dye-free paper. You can use the dye-free papers to wrap your valuable objects safely and secure them further with a packing tape. Packing peanuts. Packing peanuts, also commonly known as packing noodles or foam popcorns, are used as cushioning materials to protect fragile items from damage when moving objects. This polystyrene foam serves as a barrier between the fragile objects and the packaging box. During transportation or shifting of the goods, the boxes may be unknowingly mishandled, leading to the damage of the objects inside them. The only thing to bother about here is the cleanup that you might require post-unpacking. Packing bubble wrap. If you have a bunch of fragile items that you are planning to move, then bubble wrap should be at the top of your list. It protects all your valuable items, glass, artworks, dishes, with its small air cushions. The bubble wraps are readily available in different sized rolls with varying bubble sizes. You can use these bubble wraps to line your boxes from the inner side and even put it at the base and the top. This will act as a buffer for the goods inside against outside pressure and mishandling. Boxes for packing. Cardboard boxes are most important whenever you plan to shift or relocate. You can pack all kind of stuff in these boxes and even provide some cushioning effect with the help of bubble wrap or packing peanuts. Cardboard boxes are available in variable sizes and are reusable. You can use smaller boxes for heavier objects like books and large ones for lighter belongings like cushions, pillows, or beddings. Plastic wrap for packing. Plastic wrap, also known as cling wrap, is a clingy packaging material as an important part of the packaging supplies. They are ideally used to protect your belongings like your furniture, artworks, dishes, and also a shield for the cardboard boxes. It has numerous other advantages like the ability to condense large items into smaller areas, thereby making space for other important things. How to use packing materials. Wrap all your fragile belongings in dye-free packing paper, and you can also use bubbles to provide an extra cushioning effect and safety before placing them in cardboard boxes. You can also use packing peanuts to provide the cushioning effect, thereby preventing the valuable fragile items from any damage. You can use bubble wrap to cover fragile items. You can secure the bubble wrap packing with tape. Fill all your belongings in cardboard boxes to make packing as well as unpacking a lot easier. Before you finally use plastic wrap, make sure all your belongings are clean. Wrap the plastic around the objects you wish to secure and accommodate them in less space. Are you planning to move? Get in touch with us to get a free quote and move safely.